Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, please give a like, share and subscribe. My channel name is Maths and Statistics Tutor Channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about frequency polygon. Constructing of frequency polygon. The definition of a frequency polygon is a frequency polygon is a graph constructed by using lines to join the midpoints of each interval. A frequency polygon can be drawn in two ways, with histogram and without histogram. Now we are going to explain about frequency polygon with histogram. Here heights of the points represents the frequencies. These heights represents the frequencies. First I will explain how to draw a frequency polygon with histogram. First we need to construct the histogram. I explained construction of histogram in my previous video. If any doubts, please see the link in the description box. After finishing the constructing of histogram based on the given data, mark the midpoints of all the rectangles. These are the midpoints. Basing on this data, I have constructed the histograms. Rectangular bars I have constructed. This one you can check in my previous video. After that, mark the midpoints of all the rectangles. These are the midpoints of the rectangles. Mark all the points. Then join the midpoints. Like this you need to join the midpoints, and endpoints should be, these are the endpoints. Endpoint should be join with the baseline. Like this we need to join the endpoints with the baseline. Then we will get the frequency polygon. This is the first way of constructing the frequency polygon with histogram. The second way of constructing the frequency polygon without histogram. Here we need to take the midpoints. These are the class intervals. These are the marks of the students. These are the frequencies. We need to find the midpoints of the class intervals. The formula for midpoint of the class interval is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 20 plus 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 15. 30 plus 10, 30 plus 20, 50 divided by 2, which is equal to 25. 40 plus 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 35. Like this, we need to take the midpoints of all the class intervals. These are the midpoints: 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Here, after taking the midpoints, we need to construct the frequency polygon. This is the x-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. On the x-axis, I have taken the midpoints. On the y-axis, I have taken the frequencies. Now, for midpoint 15, the value of frequency is 5. So, I mark the dot here. After that, for midpoint 25, the frequency is 13. I marked here. After that, for midpoint 35, the frequency value is 18. So, I marked here. After that, for 45, frequency is 20. This is 45, frequency is 20. After that, for midpoint 55, the frequency is 10. Sorry, the frequency is 9. I marked here. After that, for midpoint 65, the frequency is 7. So I marked here. After that, I marked all the points. Now then I plotted the dots. After that I joined these dots, and then from here I have joined like this. This is the frequency polygon. Then we will get the frequency polygon. So there are two methods of constructing the frequency polygon. First one is with histogram and second one is without histogram. With histogram we need to draw the rectangles first. After that take the midpoints and then attach the midpoints. Then we will get the frequency polygon of first method. This is the second method. For second method we need to find the midpoints basing on the class intervals. After that plot the midpoints and frequencies and then join the dots. This is the second method of constructing the frequency polygon. Hope it's clear to everyone. Hope frequency polygon concept is clear to all. If you like my channel, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.